Welcome, wild ones. I'm Star, the Wild Witch. I'm visually impaired, but magic has no limits. Today, we're making a nourishing and revitalizing bath soak to gently release the old and welcome fresh starts and renewal. Perfect for celebrating Imbolc with a luxurious bath ritual. The first ingredient I'm adding in is 1 cup of whole powdered milk, which hydrates, softens, exfoliates, and calms the skin. Milk connects us to Imbolc, symbolizing care and nourishment. One of the interpretations of the name Imbolc is use milk, so it's a perfect fit. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of Epsom salts. The magnesium in Epsom salts helps to relax the body, soothing muscles, and releases tension. Epsom salts are also thought to cleanse away negative energy, helping you to release the old and prepare for fresh beginnings and new growth. The next ingredient I'm adding is 1/4 cup baking soda, which softens skin because it's mildly alkaline, balancing pH and smoothing rough areas. This will make your Imbolc bath ritual feel luxurious as it leaves the water and your skin silky smooth, adding a pampering touch. As a green witch, I love working with botanicals, so of course we're going to add some of those in there, starting with ginger root, which is known for love, money, success, and power. In my own personal gnosis, I also find it to be very warm, invigorating, and energizing, adding a boost of vitality and confidence. Next, I'm including some birch bark. Its anti-inflammatory properties help to soothe irritation and make the skin feel more comfortable. Its natural astringent effect tones the skin. Magically, it's associated with purification, and I personally connect it with new beginnings and renewal, which is why it's one of my favorite tree allies to work with around Imbolc. Up next, I'm including some calendula petals. These were sent to me by my dear witchy soul sister Selena over at Essence of the Moon. Calendula calms irritation, supports healing, and protects the skin. For me, on a magical level, it welcomes in that bright and happy energy. The next ingredient is cardamom pods. And I'm bashing them with a mortar and pestle so that their aroma gets fully released into the blend. Cardamom can soothe the skin, improve circulation, calm the nerves, and detoxify. Traditionally, cardamom is associated with love. I personally find it to be that warm and comforting type of love, if that makes any sense. It's kind of like a nice gentle hug and a cozy sweater by a hearth fire. That's the best way that I can describe cardamom's energy through my own personal gnosis. Next up are our wet ingredients through essential oils, and the first one I'm adding in is 3 drops of ginger essential oil, which has warm and spicy notes with a hint of zest. It's invigorating, energizing, and empowering. Next up, I'm including 6 drops of cardamom essential oil, which has warm, sweet, and spicy notes. It's revitalizing and brings a sense of comfort and positivity. Next, I'm adding 11 drops of bergamot essential oil. for its bright and uplifting scent, helping to release negative emotions and thought patterns. Last, I'm adding 12 drops of neroli essential oil. It has a fresh, sweet, floral scent, and it helps to lift the mood and bring a sense of peace. As I blend everything together with intention, I focus on renewal, fresh beginnings, and re-energizing my body and spirit. I'm really taking the time to imbue this soak with that energy. Once you're all finished, place your Imbolc bath soak blend in a clean, dry jar. Once it's all jarred up, it's just awaiting your Imbolc bath ritual. When the time for your bath ritual comes, pour the bath soak blend into a bath bag. An organza bag or cloth bag would do just fine. That way it helps with easy cleanup because everything's self-contained. Happy Imbolc, wild ones! May this bath soak nourish you, bring renewal, and energize you in preparation for the new growth ahead. Thanks so much for being here and spending this time here with me today, wild ones. I hope that you enjoyed this video over here where I show you how to make ice lanterns for your Imbolc celebrations and rituals. Until next time, bye for now.